Hello, I'm John Bertram from Air Pro Heating and Air Conditioning in Boise, Idaho. I'm working on a 95%, actually this furnace is 98%. Hi, I'm John Bertram from Air Pro Heating and Air Conditioning in Boise, Idaho. I'm working on a York modulating 98% efficient furnace today. And I get a lot of questions from people, they don't understand what a condensing furnace is. Maybe this will help. Let's take a look at this furnace. See the blue gas flame as it's burning right there. That's the gas burners. Come up here. This is the combustion blower. This furnace is a two-pipe furnace, so it brings in combustion air from outside, and then it exhausts through the top pipe here, which comes into that combustion blower. This blower actually forces the combustion gases out and up, and they run out of there probably at about 85 degrees. Where a normal furnace would be 200 roughly. Here's the condenser box. This is why this is called the condensing furnace. You can see the condensation forming in there. That condensation comes down into this trap and it comes out and drains into a drain. Anyway, this furnace is approximately 97 to 98% efficient. It's about as high as you can get in a gas furnace. If you watch closely, you can see the water droplets condense and drip down. But anyway, that's the York gas furnace. Stay comfortable, Idaho. Thanks for watching.